Namaskar. Here is a lemongrass. Just a fresh citrusy scent of lemongrass gives an idea of how powerful this herb must be. Yes, it is a very common home remedy for minor infections such as cough, cold, and fever. Ayurveda also glorifies this herb as an antidepressant and a herb which gives a calming effect to your nervous system. It is extremely good to enhance your digestive system too. Nowadays, it is extensively used in aromatherapy for its refreshing fragrance. Today, let's look closely at the benefits of lemongrass for your body, mind, and beauty. First comes body. Lemongrass oil contains a compound called citral. This antioxidant helps in reducing cholesterol. Lemongrass is also loaded with potassium, which increases the production of urine in our body, which in turn stimulates blood circulation and lowers blood pressure. Respiratory disorders such as cough and pneumonia are relieved with lemongrass treatment. Lemongrass has antiseptic properties and it is known to prevent and treat infections such as urinary tract infection, sore ringworm, scabies, athlete's foot, and other fungal and microbial infections. Drinking hot water infused with lemongrass leaves kindles your digestive fire, improves taste, and cleanses the oral cavity. It also relieves nausea, muscular pain, menstruation problems, and headache. Just one word of caution. Lemongrass stimulates and increases menstrual flow. So avoid use of this lemongrass during pregnancy. And one more thing, excess dose can cause stomach irritation and burning sensation. Use not more than 3 to 5 grams of leaves or 2 drops of oil per day. Consult your doctors for advice before consuming lemongrass if you are taking any allopathic medicine. Now, let us see the benefit of lemongrass for mind. Lemongrass has a calming effect on the nerves, releases stress, and is useful in treating anxiety. It is an antidepressant and is useful in treating certain psychiatric disorders and seizures. Lemongrass essence is popularly used during meditative and spiritual practices. Lemongrass enhances your beauty too. Add a bunch of fresh or dried leaves of lemongrass or a few drops of lemongrass oil in a hot water. And after some time, add this water to your bath water. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and improves skin complexion. It removes bad body odor. It is good for relieving symptoms of psoriasis and to get rid of ringworm and lice. For this reason, it is used in making soap, hair oil, or cosmetic. Lemongrass tea is well known for its fresh and uplifting aroma. Lemongrass tea is safe when it is consumed in small amount. I will give you an easy to make lemongrass recipe. Take half a cup of lemongrass, 1/4 cup mint leaves, 1/4 cup tulsi leaves, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 to 2 lemon slices. Boil 1 glass of water and add lemongrass, mint leaves, tulsi leaves, and fennel seeds. Let it boil for a few minutes. Add 1 to 2 slices of lemon and switch off the stove. Let lemon slice submerge for a while and then serve it hot. Lemongrass is very easy to grow and it grows in pots and in garden once it takes the roots. If it is added to food and drink, it imparts a lemony flavor. It is also popular as an insect repellent. The crushed leaves can be directly rubbed on exposed areas of skin to avoid insect bites when you go outwards. So now, since you know the multiple benefits of using lemongrass, use it as a natural healer for your body and mind. When you see good results, express gratefulness for the abundance nature provides and be benefited from it. Shubhamastu.